Nearly a year ago, Maine eliminated any and all statutes of limitations for victims of childhood sexual abuse who wanted to sue those they felt were responsible. Tonight, 3 people are using that change to sue Maine's Catholic Church. Good evening, everyone. I'm Amanda Hill.
And I'm Pat Callahan. There are numerous cases of priests, as well as others connected to the church, using their position to prey on children across the country. But this is believed to be the first time since those limitations were lifted that victims have been able to name the Catholic Diocese of Portland in a lawsuit, alleging that it did little or nothing when it learned of the allegations of abuse years ago. Here's News Center Maine's David Guilford.
These claims allow them to come forward now that they have the confidence and legal ability to do so.
Attorney Mike Begas announced Thursday 3 men are filing civil suits against the Roman Catholic Diocese of Portland for alleged sexual abuse when they were teens or younger in the 1960s and 80s. These suits made possible after a new law took effect last October, removing the statute of limitations for child sex abuse cases.
The survivors experienced grooming and abuse perpetrated by priests and or others involved with the Catholic Church.
One of the suits alleges a priest here at the former St. Andre Church in Biddeford abused a then 15-year-old boy. It's not the first time in the past year a victim has come forward to accuse leadership at this specific church of abuse.
I can't go any further without the church hearing my story.
Last September, Vivian Lee told the story of one of 2 women who came forward to accuse a different St. Andre priest, Robert Valancourt, of sexual abuse in the early 1980s. Valancourt denied any wrongdoing and was placed on leave pending an investigation, while the victim considered taking action under this new law.
We know about dozens and suspect there are hundreds.
2 of the victims in these cases wished to remain anonymous, while Robert Dupuis, who was 12 when he said a priest assaulted him in Old Town, gave a statement to Begas.
I struggled with my mental health for decades after the abuse, living a life of dysfunction and mistrust. The lawsuit gives me the opportunity to come forward and tell my story, and by doing so, to encourage other survivors to come forward.
Dave Guthrow, a spokesperson for the diocese, sent a statement saying it doesn't comment on pending litigation and will proceed in accordance with the court's rules in due course. Begas believes these are the first cases to be filed under Maine's revised law. David Guilford, News Center, Maine.
And it should be noted that Maine's new law lifts the statute of limitations for victims who were minors at the time of their alleged abuse and pertains to all sexual abuse cases, not just within religious organizations.